You're watching the Weiss channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about graphing linear inequalities. So in other words, we have graphed equalities where y equals mx plus b. For example, y equals 3x minus 2. If you were to graph y equals 3x minus 2, you start at minus 2, right? Where's minus 2? Right here. Boom, put a dot. And then what's the slope? The slope is 3, which is the same as 3 over 1. So from this dot, you go up 3. 1, 2, 3, and over 1, put a dot. Okay, and immediately Delta Math will put a line in there for you. And that is the graph of y equals 3x minus 2. Well, what we're doing today is the same thing, but it's an inequality. Well, how does that work? Okay, so here's the example. Y is greater than 3x minus 4. So we're still going to put our dot on negative 4. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then from there, the slope is 3. You're going to go from here, you're going to go up 2, 3, and over 1 and put a dot. As soon as you do that, Delta Math will put a solid line right here. A solid line. But the question is it equal to 3x minus 4? No. It's greater than, it's not equal to. So what we need is to have this line that just shows where the line is, but it's not equal to. So as soon as you click this second dot, these two boxes will pop up on Delta Math, and you have to click change line until this line goes from solid to dotted or dashed. Okay. Then you're going to want to change the shade. Click change shade until it shades above the line, because greater than means above the line. If it was less than, it would be below the line. So if you see shading below the line, you click change shade until it's above the line, then you click submit. Graph y is less than negative 1/4 x plus 3. Once again, you start at positive 3, put a dot. Your slope is down 1 over 4. Okay, you go down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, put a dot. As soon as you put a dot, Delta Math will give you a solid line here. Okay. But is it equal to negative 1/4 x plus 3? No, it's less than. So you want to click change line until you get a dashed line. Okay, so once you have the dashed line, you're good there. And then you want to click change shade until it's below the line, because it's less than negative 1/4 x plus 3. Y is greater than or equal to x minus 2. What's the intercept? Negative 2. So we put a big fat dot on negative 2. What is the number to the left of the x? There's nothing next to the x, so that's a 1, right? So 1x minus 2 means we go up 1 over 1. Okay, and then Delta Math puts that line in there for you. And it's a solid line, but does it stay solid? Yes, because not only is it greater than, it's also equal to. Greater than or equal to means that it is also equal to, so we leave the line solid. Okay. And then you're going to change shade. When it says greater than or equal to, you're going to shade above the line. You click change shade until the shading is above the line. Graph y is less than or equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 5. Put a big fat dot on 5. From there, we're going to go down 3, and over 2. Delta Math puts a big solid line in there. Does the line stay solid? Yes, because it's less than or equal to. So you click change shade until it goes below the line because it's less than or equal to. You've been watching the Weiss channel.